the first thing that I do is meet with the client by himself. Sometimes they'll come with parents or spouses, but it's important for me to speak with the prospective client first, individually, so I can explain the attorney-client relationship and the special privileges that go along with that relationship. So that needs to be done one-on-one, okay? And then, depending on the situation, if the client would like to have others present during the consultation, that's fine. We address that first. And then, usually, I give an overview of the court process, so people understand procedurally what happens, where they need to go, when they need to go there, and what that particular hearing is for. Is it an arraignment? Is it a bond hearing? Is it a preliminary hearing? Is it trial? And then I try to explain all the terms, right? So some people know some of the terms and some people don't. So I make sure that they understand the process as best as they can, right? And then we'll get into what they're charged with. Always like it when folks bring their paperwork with them so I can see what they were given by the magistrate, so I can confirm the charges, and so that I understand what they're accused of first. And then typically I'll go over what the charge is and make sure that the person understands what the penalties are. But we always go back, circle back, and review this later on because you're going to forget some things. And then I'll get into what I need to know. Like, what is it that might have happened during the incident? What do the police know? What I should know at first. So the initial consultation can be as in-depth as the prospective client wants, like to answer all their questions, and then potentially get into predicting maybe how their case might play out. Of course, I usually don't have a lot of information at that juncture, so I explain that, or the different paths it might take, right? So the consultation is, there's no time limit for it. There's no specific pattern or formula for it. A lot of it is just kind of give and take and back and forth with the person that's coming to see me for advice. So hopefully I can provide them at least some comfort during that first consultation to see whether or not I'm the lawyer for them.